In this episode we are going to work on the new track bike for the 2026 season. We already adjust the earning suspension for my weight because I'm very light. We removed the original exhaust and we mounted the Terminoli race exhaust. Today we are going to mount all these special parts on a race bike and I will explain you why. The first part we are going to mount is a fully adjustable rear set and the engine crash protection. This is fully adjustable. You can adjust up, down, forward and back for your ideal position. For me it's the upper row in the middle is for me personally the right position for my feet. And I'm very happy with this adjustable rear set. One hour later. This side is also fully adjustable. For your small feet, for your big feet, it will fit. The same position as the other side. With this rear set you have two options. You have one for the street and you have the reverse shifting that I am using for the track. So the rear set is finished. Now I will explain on the bike why I choose for this rear set. So the original ones, they are too low for me because I have tiny legs. I need them more up. So this is fully adjustable. When I'm on the track, hanging off the bike, my feet will still touch my foot pedal, my rear set. And it's of course important to have contact with your tank, with your knee, but it's also important to feel your feet on the foot pedal as well. Now I'm going to mount the engine crash protection. If you will crash on the track, I hope I don't try that. You don't scratch or damage your original engine. You only scratch this part, so it's for protection for the engine. So now it's fully protected. And I hope they don't ask me to try this. Other side. First remove the original bolts before applying the new bolts. I'm so happy that they put my logo on it and as well on the rear set. So cool. You just have seen that we removed everything from the handlebars. These are for the street and now I'm going to mount especially for the racetrack. Now we are going to mount the new triple clamp. So cool with my logo on top. They made a special space for the bolt. So you cannot fall off. Thank you. I'm not a mechanic, eh? Spider made a special tool. Now you can easily measure the right angle for your handlebars. The handlebars are finished and the next step is to mount the handlebar switches. J-Prime makes all these parts out of machined aluminium, which is way stronger than the plastic original ones. It's easy, that is plug and play, so you need no adjustments to put it together. This is a different braking pump. I'm used to have like a very hard braking, so this is specially made for racing. Oh! Now that we are working on the handlebars, we are going to mount the steering damper from Erlings. This replaces this. So this is a quick throttle unit, less turning and full gas. So let's mount it on the bike. Yes. And this is the last part, a protector for the brake lever. Today we made some good progress. Stay tuned for the next episode. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!